Hey guys, what's up? So today I'm going to be eating Hot Pockets. These are pepperoni and cheese Hot Pockets, and I have a sauce here and my little Bojangles little container, and then I have mashed potatoes. Yes, I know it's a crazy combination, but that's just what I was feeling. I also have a Canada Dry blackberry ginger ale. Oh yeah. I hope they give me a good thumbnail, because sometimes they don't. Anyway, let's dig in. Mm. Man, oh man, but look at that. Mm. I love Hot Pockets. Did y'all see Beloved? She was on CBS. I'm so proud of her. CBS News. Mm. Mm-hmm. Oh man. This sauce just makes it great. Mm-mm-mm. I figured out how to get a Hot Pocket cooked completely the right way. That means it's cooked all the way through 2 minutes. No more, no less. You cook it all the way through. Mm. I know y'all like mashed potatoes with gravy and Hot Pockets. I don't know, I was just feeling it. Mm. Mm-hmm. Look at that. good. Dip it in my sauce. It's hot. Mm-mm-mm. Ooh, so good. Mm-mm-mm. Mm. Mm-mm-mm. Y'all, this is good. Let's get you some Hot Pockets. Mm-mm-mm. I think this is the buttery crust, buttery herb crust or something. But they have different ones. That. Mm-hmm. Excuse me. But today, guys, I went to volunteer at a food bank in Hampton, Virginia. And we pretty much was packing food bags for the senior citizens in the low income housing. So I'm glad I did that because it's really important to give back to the community and to help out. I actually was through my agency, my talent agent. Um, Liquid Entertainment. But if you're ever in the area, if you're in Virginia area, Richmond or Hampton, it's called Sign Up Genius, where you can find food drives and stuff like that, where they need volunteers and stuff. Whew. Man, I have to say that was very delicious. So delicious. Trying to finish off these mashed potatoes, but I don't think I'm gonna make it. I'm full. Oh, I can't really show y'all because I don't like how my light on this phone, like it be going out. You come back in, it's bright, and you go back out, it's light. But thank you so much, guys, for joining me. If you haven't yet, please like and subscribe my channel and hit that bell notification so you will know each and every time that I upload a new video. Thank you so much for joining me today. I love you guys. Always thinking about you. Until next time. Bye-bye.